Hey everybody, yesterday I went and baled some for Mike, and I had already cleaned my Massey Ferguson baler up for the winter and put it away, and I decided just to use this 483 New Idea. Well, anyways, I rolled I don't know how many they was, 16 or probably around 16 rolls or something like that, 15, 16. And I went to dump one, and when I raised my baler up, the top set of belts wasn't spinning. Well, I thought sometimes I'll get hay wedged in them and stop them from spinning, and I thought maybe that's what happened. So I got off and was looking, and neither one of the rollers was spinning on it. And the way this thing's set up, you've got a drive roller here and then an adjuster here. Well, what has happened, which it's worse than I expected. I don't know if y'all can see that back in there. But the shaft on that roller has broke. Oh man. Yeah, it's pretty bad. The shaft on that roller where it goes through the side and is welded has broke out. And it's probably been that way a little while, looks like, because I kept hearing it kind of popping when I was rolling, starting to get the bale tight. And I think it had been broke a while, and it finally just totally rounded itself out to where that it wouldn't turn the belts anymore at all. So I'll have to get this thing cleaned up. I didn't take my camera with me because I figured y'all was getting tired of baling videos, and the one evening I had something go on. So anyways, I had to run home and unhook this baler and grab that other one and go back down there, and it's late that evening. It's about a 12-minute tram each way. So I run back down there and finished it up then with my new hay baler, but we'll get some video of fixing this thing once I get it get time to do that. But I won't get around to get it in the shed. It's supposed to start raining this weekend, but I don't know. I'm gonna put my pin in this baler where I can slack the belts off for storage during the winter. All you gotta do is raise it up, keep it in here, toolbox. Slide it in that hole right here, right in there, and then then when you shut your tailgate, this arm hits it right here and holds slack on your belts, and that way they don't stretch over the winter. The thing I don't like about that though is it holds pressure on your springs. So I don't know what's the best way to go about doing that. If y'all got one of these or something similar, let me know what you do. If you slack the belts off in the winter, or the same way, or just leave them. But once you get that pin in, just take and shut your tailgate. Sometimes the belts get folded over down here at the bottom when they slack off. I might have to raise it up and pull them out of there. Got that. They want to raise it up a little bit. They get kind of pinched in there where that slack gets. I want to pull the slack this way. Then shut it back. All right, that's got them. There's our fall decorations we did. Mom and the boys have been making us a cemetery here for Halloween. Thinking about setting up and doing our setting our candy up inside the cemetery here for them to come in and get when they trick or treat. I hope they get to do trick or treating this year with all that's going on. But they've got it looking good. Boys been cleaning the church van too this week. Got it shined up, looking nice. Not been getting to run it like we used to because of COVID. But we need to take care of it, clean the inside out good and everything. I'm gonna probably start driving to church occasionally, even if we're not picking anybody up, just to run it some. But anyways, this video was a little different, not too action-packed, but if you will, please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll get some more going on here one day soon. Still got a lot of cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, I guess what these are called, and then tomatoes over there getting ready to turn if a frost don't get them. But if you will, please like and subscribe, and y'all have a good one. We'll catch you later.